Let us see the signature of a function. So how we are going to write a function program. Hash include studio.h. Here I am writing void is nothing but it's a return type, space function name, and within the open and close braces I am not writing anything. So this is called function declaration. This is called function declaration. Next, as this function declaration is written in the global declaration section, after that we need to write the main, int main of, within the main we are going to call the function call. So what is the function name? The same name we need to write over here, function underscore name of open and closed brackets followed by semicolon. So this is nothing but it's a function call. Next, return 0, close the main function. Now outside of that particular main function, we need to write the function definition. So the return type should be same. Return type used for function declaration is void. Here also I should use void followed by the function name, open and closed parenthesis. So nothing is passed within the parenthesis. And here we are going to write the body of the function. So this is called function definition. So this is the signature of a function, how you need to write for every program.